Check. Well, good morning. Woo! Meteorologist Nick Johnston here, coming on Facebook Live and on YouTube from the New School Center for Media in Albany. Hope that woke you up. As I mentioned earlier in the week, testing out some new intro music here. Woo! That was exciting. Well, good morning, Kathy McDermott, Helen Haskell, Monica Jean, and Charlene Diamond. Good morning. Tina Spano. Good morning as well. Got to talk about some weather headlines, though, so let me get into that right now. I'll check back with the people on social media in a few minutes. But we do have to talk about the weather because we do have a chance now for some flooding. Not today or tomorrow, but as we head into Sunday and really especially into Monday, we're going to be talking about the chance for some flooding potential. So let me break it all down. First of all, with today, we'll see increasing clouds, seasonably mild temperatures. Yesterday, we did officially get to 50 degrees in Albany. Nice. Still a little bit below average, though. Today will be in the mid-50s, maybe the upper 50s in spots, and that's more normal for this time of the year. So that's why I say seasonably mild. Showers will become likely, but not so much this morning. Generally in the later part of the day, mid-afternoon to the later afternoon is when we should start to see those showers moving in. I think at lunchtime, right at 12 o'clock, most areas will probably still be dry, but by the later part of the afternoon, most of us will be seeing rain. Could be coming down at a good pace in spots, but today we're not really worried about a chance for flooding. Again, mid to late afternoon is when you'd want to watch out for those showers. Then for Friday and Saturday, this stationary front is going to kind of set up shop across the area. What that's going to do is kind of split the area in half. Areas to the north will be staying on the cooler side, while areas from the capital region to the south do look to see some warmer temperatures. Showers will be possible, only a few showers for most. The best chances for that rain will probably be north of that stationary boundary. I'll show you all of this in a few minutes, but that's the setup for Friday and Saturday. It does still look pretty mild for most, but it will be staying a bit cooler as you head farther north. Then as we head into Sunday and Monday, scattered showers will become a good bet for Sunday, but that's not the bigger concern. We're talking about moderate to heavy rain potential for Monday, and that's what's going to really lead us to a chance for flooding because remember, with Friday and Saturday's mild temperatures, we're going to continue to melt a lot of snowpack. And then you add that moderate to heavy rain, potentially Sunday night into Monday, and that's where we get that risk for flooding. In the meantime, though, there are still some nice weather opportunities to get outside. Today won't be bad either for the first half of the day. So let me give you a better sense of what to expect for your Thursday here. Here we go. Beth Diamond, good morning. Cindy Labar, good morning. Lynn Decker, good morning. Nice outside. And I think you'll like some of the webcams I've got to show you this morning. Here's the day part forecast for today. We start off a little cool. Really not bad, though. Certainly it's milder than some of the mornings we have seen recently. Upper 20s, some 30s out there. Mostly 30s around the capital region. And temperatures with still some sunshine right now will be rising fairly steadily. Not a bad morning. Winds right now are relatively light. That is going to change. It will be turning a bit breezy as we head towards lunchtime. Winds pick up to be about 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's possible we could see gusts get close to 30 miles per hour during the afternoon. Not enough for any wind advisory, probably not enough to cause any significant damage, but 30-mile-per-hour winds could certainly knock over a few garbage cans. Near 50 at noon, 56 this afternoon. Pretty good. That'll be noticeably warmer than we were yesterday. Again, yesterday Albany did get to 50. Today, 56. Might be 1 or 2 showers around lunchtime, but the better chance will be as we head into the mid and later part of the afternoon, say your 3, 4 o'clock hour, rain will be likely, especially by 5. We'll probably be seeing a pretty wet evening commute. So that's something to be mindful of. You won't need the umbrella this morning, but you might want to pack it for the later part of the day. Okay, that's the forecast for today. Joe Bolus, good morning. Nancy, Doria, good morning. Brent, be 1 or 2 showers to interrupt your plans, but it will be raining and it does look warmer. Still looking forward to those warmer temperatures. All right, here is the daily almanac. And what would be normal for this time of the year? Normal high 57. We'll be very close to that today. It's possible week 7. And for the first half of the day, you should be able to get out and enjoy some of this nice weather. Still plenty of sunshine right now. That sun will fade. It will cloud up, and we will get that chance for showers moving in. 84, the record high, set back in 1977. 13, the record low for today's date. Did not register any rain or snow yesterday. Pretty decent day. There was a chance for 1 or 2 isolated spotty showers, but again, they were the exception to the rule. There were a few spots that did see some showers. Most, though, did stay dry. Parts of the Adirondacks did see just a little bit of snow. But for most of us, it was a mild day yesterday. And again, many did manage to stay dry. Record rainfall, 1.55 inches. That's set back in 1933. Record snowfall for today, 3.3 inches. Set back in 1962. All right. Let me show you what's going on outside this morning, as it is a pretty nice morning right now. Here we go with the webcams. Starting off with Cobleskill. Beautiful. Kathy Sheffer. Hi, Nick. Hi, Kathy. Noreen Hansen. Morning. Ashley Hale. See, I remembered your last name. Hope you have a great day, too. All right, this is Cobleskill, where it looks beautiful this morning near the reservoir. A little bit of cloud cover there in the distance. This is the Cohoes Falls. Let me refresh that page. Nice. Yeah. Rivers continue to run high. This is the Mohawk, but no flooding just yet. And we're not expecting flooding this afternoon either. All right. This is what it looks like in Hessville. Beautiful. Let me refresh the page here. Nice. Nice looking morning. A little frost out there in spots. I'll show you the temperatures in just a few. Here's what it looks like. Look at that shot from Saratoga Lake, where once again, mirror-like reflection out there on the lake this morning. Barely a ripple. Look at that, dead calm. And that echoes what we're seeing in the winds. That is expected to change as we head into the afternoon. Winds are going to become a bit breezy. But it will be a south wind that's blowing. Susan Steele, good morning to you too. Tracy Folan Pierce, good morning. Tara Burns, hello. All right, let me show you what Long Lake looks like from above. Look at that. It does look like Long Lake has seen some recent flurries of snow. At least looks like from here, some of those trees are a little frosted this morning. This is what it looks like in Plattekill, where again, ski resorts continue to extend the ski season. This is what it looks like up at Lake Placid, where it also looks like they've been freshly frosted. Kind of a neat shot, though. Look at the clouds in the background there, kind of obscuring Whiteface Mountain. Let me refresh this page, too. Oh, come on. Blocking the mountain. Can't really see Whiteface. And let's take a look at the top of Whiteface right now, where, yeah, it's also a little tough to make out what's going on. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, not much to be seen. Clouds obscuring the view here. And a fresh few flakes of snow. This is Manchester, Vermont. Beautiful looking start. Let's see if that's brightened up at all. Yeah, nice shot here from Manchester. And finally, this is North Adams, Mass, where it is clear. Look at that sky. Beautiful. All right, let me show you the radar, though. Not much to see, right? But remember, I said that chance for showers is moving in as we head into the afternoon. Good morning, Tammy Chandler. Good morning, Ruth Murray. Let me zoom this out, though, and oh, yeah, there we go. We start to see a few showers off to the west, and now look at that. More significant rain as you continue to head to the west into parts of now western Pennsylvania, approaching Erie. And those are the kind of showers we're expecting to develop by the mid-afternoon hours, mid to late day. All right. Let's take a look at the temperatures right now, where it's upper 20s, low 30s for many. I was reading about 35, 36 outside of the new school here in Albany. A little bit milder than other spots. But you might find some frost this morning on the windshield of your car or on the grass. Dead and brown, though that grass may be, it may be a little frosted. Temperatures for most in the upper 20s, low 30s is below normal. It is a bit of a cool morning, but recently we have seen some cooler starts. No question about that. Yesterday morning, for example, was a little chillier than we are right now. And with that sun now shining, temperatures will be rising steadily into the 50s, and it's mid-50s for many of us this afternoon. Finally, more normal. And we are still expecting to get above normal over the next few days. I think there definitely are some good things to look forward to in the next few days in terms of the weather. But know that there's still going to be some ups and downs. It's not all good news, but there definitely are some things to look forward to. All right, cool start. Let's take a look at the watches and warnings map where some hazardous weather outlooks have been posted for some of our neighbors. Not yet for most of the viewing area, but I expect that to change as we head into the weekend. Tara Burns, pretty. Yeah, some nice shots from our webcams. Mary Dahl, good morning. Nancy Gallagher, good morning. Almost Friday. Yes, Friday Eve, if you will. All right, let me show you the surface map right now. What is going to be bringing us these showers today. And I do want to show you that frontal boundary I mentioned that's going to become kind of stationary this weekend. This is what it looks like this morning, where it is generally dry, still have some high pressure influencing our weather, but by noon, clouds will thicken, showers start to move in from the west, and this afternoon, yeah, rain will be a good bet. Then overnight tonight, things kind of clear out, and for Friday, this is what it looks like in the morning. Here's that front that I mentioned that looks to become kind of stationary and kind of bisect the area here, with the areas to the north having a better chance for showers, areas to the south staying a little bit drier and a lot warmer. And this front is kind of going to hang out Friday and Saturday, not moving much. It will allow a chance for a few showers. Again, the best chance will be to the north, but yeah, we'll probably see one or two quick showers even in the capital region from this front. All right, let me show you what it looks like as we head, though, into, say, Saturday, where, oh, look at that, it hasn't moved. Stationary, remember, kind of hanging out across, across the capital region. Notice the better chance for showers is north, but there certainly could be a few elsewhere. And hey, take a look at that storm. That is what we're going to be watching for Monday. Remember, that's when we have a chance for moderate to heavy rain and the potential for flooding. So that storm is going to be swinging in. Sunday we'll have a better chance for showers as that storm gets closer, but it's Monday when that low looks to track right across our area, and with that comes a more significant chance for rain, and with that, a chance for some flooding. It's also going to bring in some cooler air as it starts to clear out. So the 60s, not going to last. We'll get back there. But yeah, unfortunately, this warm-up will be fairly short-lived. Let me show you what we're talking about for today, tonight, and tomorrow. Christy Sanford. Man, my son had a track meet in the cold and wind on Tuesday. And he has one at 4 o'clock today. Yeah, sorry, Christy. Yeah, that's less than ideal. I agree with that. Probably some showers moving in by 4. 56 for the high today. Not bad, especially in the first half of today, where it should stay generally dry. Clouds thicken leading us to that chance for showers. South winds also increase along with the cloud cover as we head through the morning and into the afternoon, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, winds back off a bit and then shift from the south to the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The overnight low stays mild tonight, 46 degrees. Might be an isolated shower overnight tonight, but I think many will stay generally dry overnight. Remember, those showers kind of clear out in the later evening. And then for tomorrow, some will stay dry tomorrow. Mix of clouds and sun, probably mostly cloudy, but with some breaks of sun periodically through the day. Temperatures are probably the big story for tomorrow. 62 degrees, and yes, I keep telling people this, it's been a long time since we saw 60s. We have not yet hit the 60s in April, and it's already mid-April. We did not see any 60s in the month of March. You got to go back to February. That was the last time we hit 60 degrees. We also hit 60s in January. So again, this season has been a little bit mixed up here. It does look like we'll get to the 60s, though, tomorrow. Mild, with an isolated shower chance. Again, the best chances to the north. Winds do not look bad tomorrow. Winds look to be light for tomorrow. So with light winds and 62 degrees, that's pretty good. Yes, there is a chance for a couple of showers, but overall, Friday looks nice. Let me show you what the weekend looks like. Saturday, it's tough to say exactly what the temperature is going to do Saturday. It's going to depend on the exact area or the exact location of that frontal boundary. Might stay in the 50s, might make the low to middle 60s, all depends. Should be relatively mild, though. 50s or 60s is better than the 40s, which is what we've been seeing a lot of recently. And yes, we do get back to the 40s. 48 degrees on Sunday. Remember, there might be an isolated shower Friday or Saturday, but Sunday is when showers will become more likely, and it is Monday when that storm tracks across the area that we're talking about a chance for moderate to more heavy rain and potentially some flooding concerns by Monday. It's possible that some parts of the area between Sunday evening and Monday evening could see as much as 1 to 3 inches of rain. So we're talking about a lot. With the area rivers already running high due to snowmelt, that could push some beyond their banks. So that's the concern we're going to be watching Sunday into Monday as that storm crosses the area for some heavy rain. Cool. Tuesday, 46 degrees. That is 10 degrees below normal. It's probably going to be a bit on the breezy side as well. Even the low 50s, 52 is still below average. Some ups and downs, basically. First we go up, and then we come back down. Yeah, April is going to go down, it looks like, as certainly a cool month, below normal. But I've got high hopes for May. All right, hey, there's the 7-day forecast. Mixed bag. Certainly some good things to look forward to. Also, a few potential challenges. Melinda Kerner, looking forward to the nice weather. Thanks. Dottie Brown, good morning. Charlie Baker, weather is as weather does. Well put, sir. Facebook and on YouTube in spots. Hopefully work week is going well. Enjoy your Friday Eve, and I will see you tomorrow morning.